Hola mi gente, what's up my beautiful people? Hello my fashionista lovers. Welcome once again to the Fashion Beauty in the Mix, and today we are in cold New York City. I'm freezing. So cold and windy, oh my god. I want to film the video out here on my courtyard and it feels so good. So for today's video I wanted to share this product that I got from IMethod Beauty. They sent me a lovely box for the holidays. I love it. Thank you guys so much. Love you. Thank you for sending me this. We're gonna be opening this box and we're gonna be discovering what's inside the box. That brand, it has been actually everywhere on social media. It's gone viral in the beauty community. A lot of great reviews. #1 selling in Amazon for weeks and weeks. They make the Eyewing stamp. That's a game changer in the community. Eyewings are one of the hardest things to do in makeup. So they create a product that you stamp it on and you immediately will have an Eyewing. Alrighty, so let's get right into it. The Perfect Eyebrow in Seconds. That comes with a little package like this. It has a lot of components in it. Get the stencils. Stencils help a lot if you don't know what you're doing in the eyebrow department. Stencils can help a lot to have the perfect shape in your brow. There's an old saying that brows needs to be, they're not twins, they're sisters or cousins or sisters, something like that. Yeehaw! They're supposed to not be perfect. Don't panic. Oh, comes these little stickers. Like we're saying, how cute is that? Comes also with a tweezer. Okay, so here I did one eyebrow, this one right here. Very easy to do, very simple. So it comes with 2 packs of stencils. So you're gonna choose the best one that is gonna fit for you. And then all you gotta do is literally place a stencil above your brow. You flip it. So in here I did my left brow. Now for the right one, I'm gonna flip the stencil using exactly the same one. You're gonna dip the sponge into the color. Isn't this cute? I love it. All right, so you see, I'm literally going in with the sponge, tap it in, and coloring inside the opening of the stencil. And just kind of press in and then you kind of push back. So it looks a little bit more natural. It comes with this applicator too, so you just go and apply more of the pomade and fill in some of the areas that you have missed. Literally within seconds, you have perfect eyebrows. Or almost perfect, because again, eyebrows should not be perfect. Incredible, amazing brand, great price point. You can get it in Amazon, get it in a few days, and it will make the perfect gift for the holidays. Love it, everything that you need, it is in this little box. It comes with very detailed specifics on what to do on your eyebrows, instructions, even they have pro tips so you can actually take it to the next level if you want to. Today I apply a blue eyeshadow with some sparkle. I think this is perfect now for the winter time. I think it's super cute, very pretty, very easy to do. I only use 3 colors out of this palette. This is by Morphe, this is from Morphe 2. All over my eyelid, the baby blue, then the dark blue, I outline my eye area and my crease. Buff it, easy, and then I just tap it with the glitter above my eyebrow and just a little bit on the center of the eyeshadow. And now we're gonna do Eyewing to complete today's look. Here's the stamp. I'm gonna place it right in the corner. You are going to finish with the felt pen on the other side of the product. Go into your lash line and go back to your wing.
Hungry?
Hungry? I'm always hungry. Yes, I'm always hungry.
Chinese or turkey or both?
Oh, we got a lot of leftovers. I will do, oh no, I like Chinese.
What?
Let's start with Chinese with the 21 shrimp. In less than 2 minutes, you have the Eyewing and it's not messy and you don't have to fuss around too much. We are missing lips, obviously. So my lips are so chapped. The weather has been a little bit too cold. So it makes my lips very sharp. So what has been a lifesaver is this one by Sicily. This lip balm has been phenomenal. So iBeauty sent me a lip plumper. I have the lips already, so I don't think that I need my lips to be bigger, but bigger is always better. Ooh, how cute is this? That one. So I think for today's look, I'm gonna try this one. I think that will look pretty with the blue. So far, I'm feeling like a mint sensation on this. It is not too abrasive. It feels very good. It feels kind of oily, which is good. It makes my lips actually more moist. It's very neutral. So if you want something that is light, that will do it. But if you want to enhance it a little bit more, get a lipstick. So I'm gonna be using Tom Ford on this neutral shade. If you're gonna do a smoky eye or just something a little bit more intense on the eye, I like to keep a little bit more neutral on the lips so it doesn't compete with each other. Now these days, you can do whatever you want to do in your makeup. You can go smoky eye and bold lips and it looks equally as beautiful. But for daytime, if you want to have a good smoky eye, go easy on the lips, especially for daytime. And here they are. And I almost forgot my mascara. This one is by YSL, it's Saint Laurent, and it's blue, so it goes with the blue theme today. Makeup is about fun, it's color, you don't have to take it too seriously, so just keep practicing. It's a good therapy if you're just down, or just put your makeup on and it makes you feel better. Thank you so much IMethod Beauty for sponsoring a portion of this video. You guys are amazing, you guys rock. I love your products. Great quality, you guys, good price point. They empower women, very positive. They're vegan friendly, they're no animal cruelty. They don't use a lot of toxins on their products or no toxins at all. And again, it's always good just to support brands that they care about you and they care about providing a good quality as well. So this is their eyebrow stencil kit. I absolutely love it. There's a lot of brands out there that they create similar products, but they're gonna cost you way more money. And the ones that they don't cost as much, the quality is just not good. This one feels amazing, from the sponge to the actual gel with the color as well. And it doesn't look fake, it doesn't look like overly tinted, it doesn't flake. I think it's really good. I'm very impressed, even with the way that the whole packaging feels. It feels substantial and doesn't feel cheap at all. It made everything so much easier and so quick with using those products. So I love it. Into our next segment. I discovered these pants from Fabletics. They're the most comfortable pants I've ever worn in my life. I go from the office to the gym, to the gym to the office. You can work out in them, you can squat. I mean, they have so much spandex in them. Very, very, very comfortable, yet they look so sophisticated. It looks very European. It looks, I don't know, there's something about them that I am obsessed with. It is fantastic. If you want a stocking stuffer, super easy, someone that loves makeup, IMethod Beauty Eye Stamp. Simple, easy, any beauty lover will love that product. Put that on a stocking stuffer and I think it'll be amazing. I'm gonna love it. This sweater, it is by Coofandy. I think that's the brand. And I have been getting so many compliments. It's just crazy. I wear it in the airport, went out for dinner, and everybody stopped me like, where do you get that sweater? It is so cool. I am obsessed with it. I've been using it literally like almost every day. The style, it is fabulous. That would make an amazing gift for your husband, for your boyfriend. It's comfortable, the way that it is knitted. I'm obsessed with it. It's worth every penny. Definitely, it is a must-have. If you don't know what to give someone, usually we are prone to get fragrances. This is easy, and everybody, for the most part, loves fragrances. So I have a few recommendations that you might like. Alright, so for our drink today, we are gonna prepare apple cider. It's gonna be Honeycrisp apples. We're gonna add a a little bit of cinnamon, shaker ready with ice, tequila. This segment, it is live as a vlogger or a YouTuber.
It's so good, so you guys have to check it out.
Look at all the mess that I gotta clean up now. You know the struggle is real after behind the scenes when you're doing all the makeup. That is how I cook too. I make a big mess. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. Please do it right now. Click right below, subscribe and hit the alert button so that way you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. And I really appreciate that so much. Have an amazing week and I will see you on my next video. Take care now. Love you all. Mwah. Oh, freak. I just realized I have this plastic. This is what you do when you are a YouTuber. See you later. I'm going to be playing again with underwear. Like, oh my gosh, here we go again. I'm embarrassed. I've been using this underwear for a few days now and I gotta tell you, it's very comfortable. Next week, we're gonna play with underwear. It feels amazing, so I'm gonna be sharing all the details next week. Again, if you're looking for stocking stuffers, underwear is not a bad idea either.